So now guys, till now you have learned how you can acquire one domain. So let's see. So just go to Namecheap, and in the account we have our domain. So I can just go here to accounts and I can just click on the domain list. And then as I have told you that inside here you have to click on basically just go to domain. Okay, that means click on manage basically. And after you will do that, you just need to go to advanced DNS. Okay, and here you will going to see this option. So first just delete all these records. We do not require this record, so just delete them. And now you have to add some record, so you can just click on this add new record. First you will see this a record, so just tap there. In the host you have to put at the rate, okay, just follow the procedure very carefully. And then in the IP address you have to go to your basically server, that is CloudWays servers, and here you will see this public IP. So just click to copy, so it will be copied. Okay, so just tap on this IP, it will be copied. So whatever you will see here, just tap there and just come here and right click and click on paste the value, that means IP address, and then you will see these buttons. Click on save changes, done, simple. Again click on add new record, and now we will going to add one record of called as CNAME record. So just tap on the CNAME record. In the host just type www, and in the target you have to put your domain name. So in our case our domain name is this one, so I will just copy the domain name. Okay, I will come here, right click and click on paste. Make sure you also put one dot, that means full stop at very end of the domain. Okay, very much important. And then you just need to click on basically save changes by clicking on this blue button, done. Okay, now guys you just need to again copy this domain name, right click on copy, and just go to your CloudWays dashboard, and here you will see one option of domain management. So just tap on the domain management here, and in the primary domain you just need to right click on paste, and you just need to paste your domain name. If you will see anything, maybe https, anything like this https, so just remove all of them. Make sure it will be your sole and only domain name here. Okay, no full stop at end, only pure domain name. Just copy and paste and click on save changes. Okay, all done. So in this way guys, you can just connect your domain with your WordPress website. Now whenever someone will go and type your domain name, which is this one, this is your domain name. So whenever someone will type this domain name and they will click on enter, they will just go to your WordPress website, and this domain URL will going to remove. Okay, it will be replaced by your this new domain name. So let's wait for it to get updated. Okay, also it can take basically, that means after it will going to update the primary domain, so it can take more few 1 to 3 hours, or maximum in very rare case it can take 24 hours to reflect the thing. Okay, so this is how it is work. Okay, and super simple and super easy. Hope you guys have now understood how the things work. Now you can just simply refresh your CloudWays. And now let's go ahead and let's see whether we have connected our CloudWays with the domain name or not. So just go to access details, and now you can see in the application URL it is giving your domain name. That means we have successfully connected our domain to the CloudWays WordPress website. So if you will tap here, so you can see it will now going to open to your basically to your domain name. Okay, so now we just need to just wait for few hours. Okay, and then we will going to put our admin panel and this datas, and we will also going to implement the SSL certificate as well. Okay,